I've got some exciting news that I want to share with you all. For a long time now, it's been difficult to produce content on a regular basis. The videos that I make take a really long time, and therefore it limits what I can and can't film, meaning that you guys ultimately miss out on a whole bunch of information and content that never makes it to YouTube. And I really like the idea of being able to consolidate everything that goes on here in one space where it doesn't water down the YouTube videos that I produce. Therefore, I've created a Patreon account where you guys can support the channel, yet you still get a huge amount in return as well. It's only $5 a month and it allows you access to live videos for Patreon members only, long form videos, behind the scenes access to everything that goes on, weekly challenges, quizzes, access to way more repairs than I could ever upload to YouTube, an instant messaging service where we can all chat together in the same place, real time, an email access to ask questions that you might have, machining, fabrication and TIG welding repairs. Ultimately, I want this platform to be like you're pulling up a chair, drink in hand and sitting next to me while we tackle these engine repairs together. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I've put links to Patreon in the description below and hopefully up here somewhere as well. Thanks for your support, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you over there.